Gutters are clogged and the landlord is doing nothing about it. What is the legal responsibility here? We're going to find out from the guys who know it all when it comes to the law, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, great to see you.
Wow. That's
a lot to live up to, huh? Well, maybe
that's,
not quite every little last thing, but
I'll tell you what, you're putting a lot on our shoulders there, Dave.
most of it. Here's our question today, and this one is from Bill in West Scranton. My landlord knows that the gutters are on our apartment building, and they're in pretty bad shape. They constantly clog and flood the yard. A few weeks ago, it froze a huge area, then it snowed. As I was shoveling, I fell and hit my head, and now I have to have brain surgery. Can I sue my landlord? How does Bill in West Scranton get started with this potential case?
Bill, you can sue your landlord on this. Landlords have an obligation to make sure that the apartment building or house that you are living in is safe. And one of those issues would be the gutters. Obviously, he's on notice that the gutters are bad. He's on notice that the water is flooding out into the yard, and obviously the ice is going to be accumulating. So the landlord, all these things that the landlord knows, these are all dangerous conditions that the landlord could have easily have rectified and prevented these injuries from happening. So I think you have a pretty good case here.
We've had a couple of these over the years. I mean, and again, it's a message to the landlords. Maintain your properties, keep them safe for your tenants and people just passing by. Because if someone does slip and fall because of frozen water, you're going to be on the hook for it. I've seen it in commercial places. I've actually walked into a place and said, hey, your gutter's leaking, right in front of the door. And next time I go back, they fixed it. So that's a responsible landowner, business owner. So that's what should be done. But, again, if this is a serious injury and, they definitely need a lawyer. There's no doubt about it.
Accidents happen, but if it's an issue that the landlord is just flat out ignoring, that's when you have the liability.
That's right. That's right. And it's preventable. And again, if you're holding your business out for people to come in, it's got to be safe.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. For our viewers who want to contact you guys that maybe have a situation like this, what's the best way to reach you?
They call us 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And here's the other thing. Take pictures. Get out there with your phone, take some pictures so that you have documentation of this defect.
And file the incident report, too.
And file an incident report as well. So, best things for you to do is get in touch with somebody and help you out with this.
Guys, good advice. Thank you so much. We will see you again next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, don't forget PAHomepage.com, the Law New Hotline are two ways to get a question here on the show.